Why are you holding a dirty shoe?
Oh, this? It's my friend's shoe. She asked me to walk in it so that I can understand something. So,
Did you just steal a shoe from your friend?
no, it's borrowed.
Huh. Suspicious.
It's not even important, okay? I have to walk in the shoes. That's the important part. And I don't understand. That's such a weird request. Wouldn't you say?
Yeah, it is. Makes it hard for me to believe that's what she said. So what exactly did she say? Like, word by word?
Okay, she said this. You wouldn't understand unless you walked 1,000 miles in my shoes.
Oh my
What?
God. That's not what she meant, dummy. She meant you wouldn't understand whatever she's going through unless you've been through whatever she's been through, you know?
Is that what she meant?
Yeah.
Is
You
it?
have to live her life to understand what she's going through.
Is this one of those things?
What?
Idioms or something? Idioms? Is it one of those idioms?
Yeah.
Why did I even steal the shoe?
So you did steal the shoe.
Christ Village.